So now we've done that side, we're on the left side now. Top spray with light coat. Boom. One smooth one. Let it set for a little bit. Just air dry it out. A couple of minutes time, I'll give you another spray. All done. It's one side. That's the other side. 5 minutes quick job. So now it's removed. It might look a little bit extra shiny. Actually, it's not that shiny. It's going to still drying. So as it dries, it's going to become a bit matte. So it will look like the original. So that's not bad. Let's go to the other side. I should have just faded it in, but you can tell that's all done. When it dries up, it's going to go a bit more matte, so it's going to look a bit more like that, so it's still wet a little bit. Not bad. 5 minutes job. Happy days.